Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Facebook Lite. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.